Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A14. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and go to display. As you can see right here, we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list where you can change display mode between light and dark. And in dark mode settings we can schedule the dark mode. Next we can change brightness level of the display manually or via adaptive brightness. Then we can enable or disable eye comfort shield, also schedule it and change its intensity. Next we can change font size and style, enable or disable bold font, and then we can change screen zoom. Next we can change enable or disable full screen mode for apps, if you've got any apps that are using this function. And then we can hide the notch in certain apps. Next we can change screen timeout between 15 seconds and 30 minutes. We can change navigation bar between buttons and swipe gestures. And also adjust both of these functions. Then we can enable or disable accidental touch protection, touch sensitivity, and in the end we can set screensaver. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.